You will need a pension valuation in relation to financial matters as well. Pensions are often overlooked as an asset, but they are part of the matrimonial pot that will be there for division. In order for your solicitor to be able to advise, they will need a valuation of your pension, and if you could write a simple letter to your pension provider asking for what is known as a cash equivalent transfer value, or C.E.T.V, that will save time and money. In preparing to negotiate a financial settlement, you will need to provide many documents. You need to ask your solicitor what is needed in your case, but it is likely to include the following: a valuation of your home if you own it. We normally suggest that you get 3 free, if possible, market appraisals from local estate agents, your P60 for the last tax year, and your 3 most recent payslips, 1 year's bank statements, your latest credit card bill, and redemption statements for any hire purchase agreements or loan agreements that you may have, details of any substantial assets that you may own, for example a life insurance policy or shares, details of your mortgage redemption statement in relation to your property. Solicitors charge for the time that they spend on each file. So that means that they charge for telephone calls that they receive. That's each and every telephone call that they get in, each and every telephone call that they make out. They also charge for letters in and letters out. So the more you can minimise your contact with your solicitor, that will minimise your legal costs. It's also worth asking your solicitor at any time throughout the process if there's anything else that you can do to seek to reduce your legal costs, anything you can do yourself to take the burden away from the lawyer. There are alternatives to going down the traditional divorce route and filling out the Form E document that I've mentioned. Family mediation is an option, and a process called collaborative law as well. They are depending on the circumstances of each case as to whether they're suitable, but they may also be a good way forward in terms of trying to reduce your legal costs, but you would need to speak to your solicitor about whether your case was suitable for that route.